On October 6, 2025, the world premiere of Disney's TRON movie was upstaged by an unexpected star, the black Tesla Optimus robot. Dressed to impress in custom black paint with glowing red accents, this humanoid robot embodied the film's digital aesthetic and instantly grabbed everyone's attention on the red carpet. Red Carpet Kung Fu Showdown. Tesla's Optimus didn't just pose, it performed. Channeling martial arts moves that Elon Musk himself had previewed online, the robot wowed the crowd with a controlled kung fu demonstration. One of the night's highlights was a playful, choreographed fight with Jared Leto, the film's star. The interaction, light-hearted but packed with precision, quickly went viral and fueled excitement across social media. Collaborating for an immersive AI experience. This event was much more than a publicity stunt. It exemplified a cutting-edge collaboration between Tesla, Disney, xAI, and X. Together, these tech giants transformed the premiere into an immersive showcase where AI-powered experiences brought the TRON universe to life. Optimus wasn't just a performer, it mingled with attendees, chatted with cast members, and even handed out theater concessions, demonstrating its capabilities as a versatile AI companion and entertainer. Robotic advances and real-world challenges. While the spectacle was fun, it also shone a spotlight on Tesla's progress in robotics, especially in balance and motion control. Optimus' fluid movements in a dynamic, high-profile setting contrasted with persistent safety concerns reported in some industrial environments. The event served not only as entertainment but also as a statement of Tesla's ongoing commitment to revolutionizing robotics as part of Elon Musk's ambitious vision. Tesla Optimus' latest developments in 2025. Tesla's Optimus robot has made substantial strides this year, particularly in its autonomous learning and physical capabilities. Recent demonstrations have shown Optimus mastering complex kung fu moves entirely on its own, without human teleoperation, marking a milestone in Tesla's AI-driven robotics. Tesla plans to launch the Gen 3 version of Optimus in the coming months, promising enhanced hand dexterity, improved battery life, and higher autonomy. The Gen 3 model is expected to advance Tesla's ambition to produce thousands of units, despite earlier production targets being missed. Elon Musk envisions Optimus becoming a major part of Tesla's business, potentially representing over 80% of its future value due to the robot's broad applications, from industrial tasks to everyday companion roles. AI and safety in Optimus. Tesla continues to push improvements in AI security and machine learning to safeguard Optimus from potential adversarial attacks. Real-time threat detection and collaborative defense mechanisms are being integrated to boost reliability and safety, essential for robots intended to operate among humans. These developments respond to ethical and practical concerns about humanoid robots functioning safely in both industrial and domestic environments. Social impact and industry perspective. Despite the hype, industry experts advise cautious optimism, acknowledging that fully functional humanoid robots remain years away from widespread use. Tesla's impressive progress, however, is an important step in demonstrating what smart, autonomous robotic systems can achieve and setting the stage for future innovations. The black Tesla Optimus stealing the spotlight at the TRON premiere wasn't just a flashy show, it was a glimpse into the future of humanoid robotics. From its impressive kung fu moves to its seamless interaction with celebrities and guests, Optimus demonstrated Tesla's remarkable advances in AI, balance, and motion control. While challenges remain, Tesla's ongoing development and ambitious vision for Optimus as a versatile AI companion and entertainer are clear. This event marked a pivotal moment where entertainment, technology, and innovation converged, setting the stage for a new era in robotics.